Listen, Sam, that last project was a total disaster. We went totally over budget, and half the products still haven't even been delivered yet. It was a nightmare.
A total nightmare, and I'm sorry. Honestly, I don't think I'm cut out to be a project manager.
You just need to brush up on your project management skills. You've got the soft skills down. Okay. You're a pretty good leader. You're good at problem solving, and you're good at adapting to unexpected changes. Now, when it comes to the hard skills, we got a little work to do. Planning and forecasting. Did you have a plan?
Well, yeah, I did write everything down in my notebook.
Okay, well, it's hard for the team to know everything that's happening if it only lives inside of your notebook. And what about risk management? You did know that ordering the products from New Zealand would mean that it wasn't gonna make it in time for the launch, right?
I suppose there was a risk there, yeah.
And budgeting, that little packaging snafu doubled our cost. All right, not to worry. I know exactly how you're gonna develop those project management skills so this doesn't happen again, okay? First, start with these books. We've got Agile Project Management 101. Following a methodology can be really helpful for project managers. And here's one on running effective meetings. You've got to admit, your team spent more time talking about the Celtics than they did actually planning.
You have a point there. Season's over, so I have more than enough time to do some reading.
Good, right? And we're going to send you on this project management course. It's a great way to develop project management skills like planning and budgeting. You've got to use Rike. It's a new project management software we've started using. It helps you keep track of all your project tasks, lets you see the schedule with different views, and gives you visibility into your budget along the way. And the best part is our whole team can see the plan and their tasks without having to rely on your notebook.
Sounds like a plan.